It was my first day at school. I felt nervous and scared. I went to all my classes with no friends. It felt like no one cared. I listened anxiously to all the lessons and waited for lunch break at 1. Then finally, the bell rang. It was time to talk and have fun. In the lunch line, I met a new friend who wore a hijab on her head, and though I am Jewish, we got along fine, and I was so relieved when she said, "Sit with us at our table." She pointed to the one next to the door. So I agreed and took my tray and was about to walk with her across the floor when suddenly I felt a nudge. "Hey, I saw you on the bus," said a tall girl in a long skirt. "I see your Jewish star necklace. You should sit with us." At that moment, I looked around, and that's when I noticed to my surprise the nations of the world isolating themselves. That's what I saw through my own eyes. The Spanish only sat with Spanish, the Hindus only with Hindus, the Russians always with the Russians, and never the Arabs with the Jews. I saw the reason why war gets started. Everyone stick to their own kind. The lunchroom was a map of the world. Why was everyone so blind? And so I turned down this girl and went with the first, and there was no enmity. I built a bridge between the two worlds when I sat with those different from me. Hope you will do the same.